Welcome to Learner's Guide. Essay on Sir C.V. Raman. Introduction. Science has given us many great minds, and one of such brilliant scientists was Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, popularly known as C.V. Raman. He was a renowned physicist from India who made groundbreaking contributions to the field of light scattering known as the Raman effect. His discovery earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, making him the first Asian to receive this prestigious award in science. Early life and education. C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu in a Tamil Iyer Brahmin family. His father was Chandrasekhar Ramanathan Iyer and mother Parvati Ammal. From a young age, he showed a deep interest in science and mathematics. His father was a teacher, which helped him develop a strong academic foundation. Raman completed his studies at Presidency College Madras, now Chennai, where he excelled in physics. At the age of just 16, he completed his master's degree in physics with top honors. Scientific achievements and the Raman effect. Despite starting his career as a government official, Raman's passion for science led him to research in physics. In 1928, while experimenting with light passing through transparent materials, he discovered a phenomenon later named the Raman effect. This discovery proved that when light passes through a medium, it scatters and its wavelength changes due to interaction with the molecules of the medium. This was a revolutionary finding in the field of spectroscopy and helped in understanding the structure of molecules. For this extraordinary discovery, C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. His work laid the foundation for various applications in chemistry, medicine, and material sciences. Contributions to science in India. Apart from his discovery, Raman played a crucial role in developing scientific research in India. He established the Indian Academy of Sciences in 1934 and also contributed significantly to institutions like the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and the Raman Research Institute. He strongly believed in encouraging young minds to explore science and innovation. Legacy. At the end of October 1970, Raman had a cardiac arrest and collapsed in his laboratory. He died from natural causes on 21st November 1970 at the age of 82. C.V. Raman's contribution to science have had a lasting impact on various fields including physics, chemistry, and medicine. In his honor, India celebrates National Science Day on February 28th every year, the day he discovered the Raman effect. His dedication, curiosity, and passion for science continue to inspire students and researchers across the world. Conclusion. C.V. Raman was not just a scientist, he was a visionary who proved that with determination and hard work, one can achieve great heights. His legacy remains a guiding light for all aspiring scientists. The essence of science is independent thinking, hard work, and not equipment, as C.V. Raman said.